Hi, welcome back to BRR Knowledge Center. So now we will see what are all .NET framework versions we have right so far as part of this Microsoft .NET. So since from 2002, right, where the .NET framework 1.0 version was released. So before to this .NET, right, we have a VB 6.0, which is interpreter-based language. And the .NET was started, right? The first version was released in 2002, April, even though it started in February. But the release is the official version of 1.0 in 2002. So when you talk about this .NET, we have different namings here. I can say .NET Framework and .NET Core or Mono.NET or .NET Mono, right? And .NET. So .NET is a game changer for Microsoft technologies, which is going to have all features and required functionalities to strengthen the application security and integration and performance and scalability. So every developer, right, primarily looking at the performance of a language to start developing the application. So .NET is for is more performant compared to the other programming languages, which is optimized on having inbuilt class libraries and other set of components instead of language interoperability. Hence, this .NET framework is more, famous and having different versions. In each stage and each version, it is grooming like going to do anything using .NET and comparatively in any language in market. Okay, so when we talk about these terminologies, right? The first this .NET framework is right. .NET framework starting version is 1.0 released on 2002 April 15. And thereafter, it is continuously grooming up and it is releasing 1.1, 2.0 like that. And the latest, right, version of .NET framework is 4.8.1, right, released on 2022 August 09. This is about .NET framework. If you want to see like how it is grown up, right, I'll just show you the version history. Okay, let me get this figure. This is what the figure, right? If you look at this .NET framework versions here, okay, and let me come here. The first version is 2002 0415 and 1.1, 2.0, 2.0, 2.04 directly, right? So this is a CLR version and this is a framework version. You can see 1.0, 1.1, 2.0, 3.0, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 4.5.1, 5.26, 7, 8.1. This is the latest. Okay, this is the .NET framework version details. So as we have some drawbacks with .NET framework, like one thing is platform dependency. That means whatever code you are writing in .NET framework, that is going to be executed on same platform. If you are trying to execute this .NET framework code on other operating system like Unix or Mac OS or other Linux systems, don't execute because that is a platform dependent stuff. So to enhance this .NET framework, Microsoft has started other abstraction layer inside of a CLR by just picking up the runtime, and they started enhancing this. And then they enhanced the support platforms, different platforms, and they released .NET Core version in 2019. So that is what .NET Core. Okay. The starting version of .NET Core is 1.0. That is .NET Core 1.0, released on 2019 June 27. And the latest version of .NET Core is 8.0, which is released in 2023 November. Okay, 2023 November. Okay, so when it comes to the history of this particular stuff of this .NET, Core, right? You can see this .NET Core versions history, right? Here, this way. They started 1.0 to support the platform independent and cloud infrastructure support, cloud deployment, and scalability, and other runtime improvements. And they released as .NET Core. So like that, they released 8.0, which is right 2023 and November, the 8.0 is released. So the latest version of this .NET Core is 8.0, but people are calling .NET 8, which is a latest version. Okay, and regarding this .NET Mono, during .NET Core development, right, they have taken .NET Framework as base along with Mono architecture. Mono is nothing but it's basically implemented to support platform independence, right? Especially to develop mobile applications, right? And it only support initially Unix. Later, they merged everything into .NET Core and .NET. Now we'll have Xamarin, wherein you start writing of your Android applications. So basically, this .NET Mono and .NET Core having similar features because the .NET Mono basically separated and started developing to support platform independent, especially for Unix platform. Now they merged into .NET Core everything, and now .NET Core is supporting all environments. Okay. So this is something about this .NET framework versions, right? Framework Core .NET Mono, now .NET 8 is the latest version. Okay, so this is something with regards to this .NET framework versions. Okay, I hope you are clear about the .NET framework versions and the naming of a .NET. Okay, thanks for listening to this video and please subscribe this channel for more videos.